Welcome to the Fluency Series 15. In this edition of the Fluency Series, I keep things very crisp, very breezy, and very everyday. Let's begin with the first sentence that goes, इतनी जल्दी क्या है? What's the rush? Second one, मुझे थोड़ा सा time लगेगा. It'll take me a little while. Or if it's a shorter duration, you could also use, I'll need a minute. Third one, यहाँ से market कितना दूर है? How far is the market from here? Fourth one, थोड़ी देर वेट कर लोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? What's the harm in waiting a bit? Or what's the big deal if you wait a bit? Fifth one, थोड़ी चीनी कम है. It's not sweet enough. Or it could use a bit more sugar. Or it's a bit light on sugar. Or very crisply needs a little more sugar. Then on to the sixth one, मैंने कहा था ना पर तुम सुनते कहाँ हो? I told you, didn't I? But you never listen. Or a more agitated and aggravated one, I told you, didn't I? But do you ever listen? Seventh one, घर कब आना है? When are you getting home? Eighth one, मेरी पूरी कोशिश रहेगी कि मैं टाइम पर पहुंचूं, पर हो सकता है ट्रैफिक मुझे लेट करा दे. I'll do my best to reach on time, but traffic might hold me up, or traffic might slow me down. Ninth one, इतना गुस्सा क्यों कर रहे हो? ऐसा क्या हो गया? Why are you so mad? What even happened? Or why are you so worked up? What even happened? 10th one, बस मैं पहुंच रही हूँ और 5 मिनट. I'm almost there, just 5 more minutes. 11th one, लगता है जुकाम होने वाला है. Feels like I'm coming down with a cold. 12th one, मैं सोच रहा था आज खाना बाहर से मंगा लेते हैं. और क्यों ना हम आज बाहर से खाना मंगवा लें? I was thinking we could order in tonight. Or how about we just order in tonight? Or why don't we just order in tonight? 13th, क्या बनाया है आज? और खाने में क्या है? What's for breakfast, lunch, dinner, whichever meal applies? Or very simply, what have you cooked or made today? 14th, इनमें से सबसे सस्ता कौन सा है? Which one's the cheapest among these? 15th, आज वो लोग मिलने आ रहे हैं. They're coming over today. 16th, तुम ऑफिस से घर कब आते हो? What time do you get home from work? 17th, शायद हम पहले मिले हैं. I think we've met before. Or perhaps we've met before. Or I feel like we've met before. 18th, इतना तो वो समझ ही जाएगा. He'll at least get that much. 19th, कहते कुछ हो करते कुछ और हो. You say one thing but do another. 20th, मैं गाड़ी निकालता हूँ तब तक तुम तैयार होकर नीचे आ जाओ. I'll get the car out, you get ready and come down in the meantime. Or a more casual and crisper one, I'll pull the car out, get ready and come down. 21st, बस थोड़ी देर और वेट कर लेते हैं. बस आ गई तो ठीक है, नहीं तो पैदल चल देंगे. Let's wait a few more minutes. If the bus shows up, great. Otherwise we'll walk. 22nd, मुझे समझ नहीं आती तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम क्या है. I don't get what your problem is. Or I don't get what your deal is. 23rd, तुम्हें इस टाइम घर पर नहीं होना चाहिए. Shouldn't you be home at this hour? 24th, मुझे तो लगा था तुम काम पर हो. I thought you were at work. 25th, कम से कम 10 मिनट पहले बता देना. At least give me a 10-minute heads up. Or just give me at least a 10-minute heads up. 26th, I'm sorry. कम से कम 10 मिनट पहले बता दिया होता. You could have at least given me a 10-minute heads up. 27th, अब आ ही गए हो तो थोड़ा सा काम ही करवा दो. Now that you're here, you might as well get a few things done for me. Or since you're here anyway, you might as well get a few things done for me. 28th, अब आ ही गए हो तो कुछ खा पी लो. You're here now, grab a bite or something. Or since you're here, have something to eat or drink. Or now that you're here, help yourself to something. 29th, कब से लगे हुए हो, थोड़ा break ले लो. You've been at it for so long, take a little break. Or you've been going non-stop, take a breather. 30th, मेरी बात तुम्हें समझ क्यों नहीं आती? Why don't you get what I'm saying? 31st, इतनी जल्दी थक गए, tired already. 32nd, क्या तुमने मेरी बात के बारे में सोचा? Have you thought about what I said? 33rd, भगवान ना करे तुम्हें कभी वहाँ जाना पड़े. God forbid you ever have to go there. 34th, जब उसको पता चला उसकी खुशी का कोई ठिकाना नहीं था. When he found out, he was over the moon. Or he was thrilled. or slightly poetic or literary, his happiness knew no bounds. 35th, सबसे ज़्यादा तुम्हें कौन तंग करता है? Who gets on your nerves the most or who annoys you the most? 36th, तुम्हारी बारी आने में थोड़ा टाइम है. It'll be a while before it's your turn. 37th, किस किस को समझाओगे? How many people are you gonna have to explain this to? 38th, अब बोलने को और रह ही क्या गया है? What's even left to say? 39th, वहाँ पर कौन बैठा है? Who's sitting over there? 40th, इससे अच्छा तो मैं पैदल ही चल लेता. I might as well have walked. Or crisply, might as well have walked. 41st, लगता है कोई बस नहीं आने वाली. Looks like no bus is coming or looks like the bus isn't coming. 42nd, लगता है वो मुझसे नाराज़ है. I think he's mad at me. 43rd, कोई तो बात होगी जो वो पार्टी में नहीं आई. There must be some reason she didn't come to the party, or more casual, there's got to be some reason she didn't come to the party or didn't show up to the party, whichever you like. 44th, आज तुम्हारा मूड कुछ ऑफ सा लग रहा है. You seem kinda off today, or you seem a little off today. 45th, ऐसा तो मैंने नहीं बोला. That's not what I said. 46th, बस इतनी सी बात थी. That's all it was. 47th, सोच समझ कर बोला करो. Think before you speak. 48th, ठंड लग रही है तो हीटर लगा दूं. Cold, want me to turn the heater on? 49th, गर्मी लग रही है तो AC चला दूं और AC चला देती हूँ. If you're hot, I'll turn the AC on. Or very simply, hot, want me to put the AC on? And the 50th, अब इस बात का क्या फ़ायदा? What's the point of this now? Or what's the point anymore?